Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday, March 11th, 2020, the WHO, the World Health Organization, declared that coronavirus, aka COVID-19, is now a global pandemic, meaning that it is prevalent worldwide. Over 118,000 cases have been reported in 114 countries. 4,291 people have lost their lives, according to the WHO. Thousands of others are struggling and fighting for their lives in hospitals. Typically, when the WHO says something, I listen. It's a global organization. They focus on everybody's health, and they typically base their announcements and their findings on scientific evidence. They're stating that most of the cases of coronavirus are coming just from a few countries. I believe more than 90% of cases are just in 4 countries, 2 of those being China and the Republic of Korea, and they're experiencing significant declines in the epidemic in those particular regions. The WHO is commending most countries' efforts to stop the spread of this disease. They're talking about that some countries are limited because they have a lack of capacity, lack of resources. I'll go ahead and link to the article, to the announcement down in the description if you want to read it. And they're telling one to prepare and be ready, detect, protect, and treat. I know it's getting serious. Here in New York City, in my son's school, for instance, they suspended parent-teacher conferences. I guess they don't want all these people to be together in one place because that'll potentially promote the spread of that particular disease if anybody's infected. So they want to stop that. You know that the NBA suspended the season. They're not playing this for the rest of the season. Fans can't attend NCAA tournaments as well. President Donald Trump suspended all flights coming in from Europe. I'm expecting more suspensions from other places. So if you don't have to travel, don't do it. Don't do it unless it's absolutely necessary. Try to be as clean as possible. Our precautionary measures in our home include we just thoroughly clean the home. We wipe the home down with these Clorox disinfecting wipes. You could find canisters of these. You buy like 4 or 5 of them over at BJ's very cost effectively. Also eat clean. Take care of your insides. We barely get sick in my home. Neither me or my family members. Fortunately, we haven't gotten sick with any case of any colds. I mean, minor coughs and sniffles here and there. But try to eat as clean as possible. We mainly eat meats, fruits, and vegetables. Try to consume fish oil. Try to get yourself a real good brand. One of the cleanest brands that I've been able to find out in the market that you could easily access out in GNC is Nordic Naturals. You can go ahead and pick up a bottle there. Get polyphenols into your diet. You can get those from fruits and vegetables, mostly dark fruits such as blueberries. Blueberries probably have some of the highest polyphenol content that you could find. You could also find in apples, chocolate. Coffee is also a source of polyphenols. Turmeric. So definitely try to be as safe and as healthy as possible. It's getting serious. There are people that are telling me that they're withdrawing cash from banks because banks keep making announcements that they're going to close some of their locations. I know a number of companies are drawing down their credit lines so they can have additional liquidity to be able to sustain their operations throughout this entire ordeal. So be as healthy as you can. Be as safe as you can. May God bless everybody. I'll keep sharing more content and reports on coronavirus as I find them. So feel free to stay tuned. Talk soon.